think you should be.
What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another Crypto TV episode. In today's episode we're going to look at the cryptocurrency market cap as well as other specific coins within the community. As you can see, we're having a fairly up day. A lot of positive green coins in the market. Not too bad. Bitcoin not doing too bad, kind of staying flat. Cardano is down, Litecoin still in the 5th place. You'll notice the market cap is still 450 billion, so we are getting some, 440 billion. We are getting some money coming back into the market, so that isn't too bad. Let's take a look at Litecoin quickly. As you can see on the 4-hour, we have come down to retest the middle moving average and also this line of support drawn on the bottom here. And as you can see, we did a pop as expected off of the middle moving average. We kind of hit resistance, which I figured at the line of 211, this line of resistance here, that you'll notice Litecoin has had a tough time breaking above and also a good time using as support. So that is nice to see. We are in between the 200 and the 212 range, 213 range. So it'd be nice to see a pop off of this and a slow trend upwards, as you can see by what I drew yesterday. It seems like we are kind of doing that. We're not there yet, but we are moving upwards, which is nice to see. Looking at the hourly, you'll also notice we had resistance right above here at this line here, the blue line drawn as resistance, as well as bouncing off the middle moving average at the top, retesting it, failing to break through and falling lower. So honestly, just to wrap it up with Litecoin, we are kind of in the middle on the RSI. It's expected to see some type of hopefully uptrend or breakout, breaking us up above this line of 211, but that's going to be the biggest issue for Litecoin, is to see whether or not it can break above 212, 211. If we do, that's great. Then we're going to have to retest this line of support here, or a line of resistance at the moment, and if we can break above that, it'll be upwards from there. On Bitcoin, you'll notice that we did have this this downtrend, retested the 4-hour, I believe 4-hour middle moving average like expected, literally what I drew, popped off that, slowly coming back down to retest the middle moving average, but I can honestly see us going higher in the next few days, if not tonight. Bringing it farther out, you'll notice it is nice to see that we finally broke out of this long downtrend, and it is nice to see that the middle moving average is slowly coming up. So that does give potential for Bitcoin to move higher. It does have a few barriers to kind of attempt, and hopefully it can break, as you'll see one right here. I'm not against Bitcoin. It's not why I don't talk about it too much. It is, like I said, not much action happens in Bitcoin right now that needs to be addressed. So I am still bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is #1. I just would like to talk about some of the other cryptos that are kind of left out in the currency. As for Ethereum, you'll notice we retested the middle moving average, could not break through, and are now falling again. I do still hold true to what I said yesterday. We should come down to retest this line of support here, and then hopefully funnel down over here and pop up from there. I'd also like to review another commenter's coin, and the person who we are going to look up will be, let's just open a window first. Alright, the person we will review, let's do let's see how Michael Piotrowski said A-E-R-O-N, Aeron, so we're going to see that, Aeron. So it is A-R-N. Let's try BTC. There we go. Okay, cool. So Michael Piotrowski, you're the lucky person that we get to review today. So let's look at this 4-hour. I'm going to zoom out a little bit just so I can get some type of understanding of the market. If I click on the daily, you'll notice I do see a crazy uptrend. I mean, a crazy downtrend that has been forming for the last, I guess, couple months. Wow, this is really low. Okay. Just going to make this a little bit easier to view for us. Okay, that should be good enough. So what I do notice is we have this solid downtrend right here. Something like that, give or take. And then we do have a line of support here. I wouldn't draw it all the way at the bottom, only because it doesn't seem like that's where that's headed. Right around here, there seems to be a lot of support for Aeron. Aeron, I don't know how to pronounce it. Leave a comment telling me how exactly it's pronounced. We'll go into the 4 hour and take a better look. Yeah, that's a pretty obvious line of support for Aeron. Might even be able to fix this here. And maybe just see if I can draw a second one. Something like that. And bring this a little lower. Something like that. So maybe 2 lines of resistance here. You'll notice we are still funneling into this corner, but it all ends in a point. So we'll see what happens right here. If we can build enough support, I would definitely wait till we break out of here and buy in, and we should see a nice spike upwards. If not, we will fall lower into this range back where it was trading out before, right around here. I'll draw it quick. So right around in this area, but other than that, you should be good right around this area here for a breakout to happen. Otherwise it can go lower, so wait until we break out of it first. But other than that, that's pretty much going to sum up the video for today, guys. Like I said, I'm still bullish on Litecoin, and I do expect us to break 211 shortly, so keep an eye out for that. Bitcoin, I do expect Bitcoin to slowly bring it back up to retest that high that we just set on the 21st, so 2 days ago. And then for Ethereum, it's eventually gonna just spiral out and pop up out of here. So on that note, please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below as to what crypto you would like me to review tomorrow in tomorrow's video. And other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.